Hi there, this is Dr. Malloy speaking out of Berlin in Germany, and I would just like to introduce myself shortly to my English-speaking listeners. I have been a police officer for 20 years and I had the privilege to serve on the streets of our nation, our country, and also to experience what kind of things cause the greatest pain and disruption in our country, and these are mental sicknesses. I asked myself, why are so many people in this nation mentally sick? Why are there so many depressed people? Why are there so many suicidal people? Why is schizophrenia such a big topic in our families and in our nation? I started to study psychology and educational sciences really early in during my career as a police officer, and I was blessed by the fact that I was able to always connect the experiences that I made on duty as a police officer with my scientific researches and the studies that I did. I became a police trainer quite early in my career, and I was able to train specifically police officers in the whole topic of fighting against school shooters, for example, or people that try to aim at a great amount of people. Trying to shoot and kill them. This was a really sincere and really deep topic, and it just enlightened my desire to step into teaching people deeper what especially mental sicknesses and psychological diseases, what that's all about. And I figured out very early that it's really important, especially important for leaders. It's especially important for those that are responsible to teach others as teachers, for example, or professors. All of those people that do the wonderful and amazing job of trying to lead the next generation in their mindsets, in their thinking, in their understanding of life, for them to understand how sensible and how vulnerable we as human beings really are, and how especially strongly our genes and our upbringing in the first 3 years of life is influencing every decision, every feeling, every thought that we have as a grown-up person.